Hi, my name is Scott Miller. I was in the regular Army, and now I go to the VA, and I learned about this program through the VA, and had no idea what it would be like, none. And started off with tying flies, and today was our first time out on the water, first time ever for Toy and I. And just between what you taught us in the classroom and what you taught us on here, I feel confident. You know, had an excellent weekend. We were here 3 days. Great weekend. Caught a couple of fish. Caught some sun.
Yeah.
I mean, it's. I think it's well worth it. You know, especially for any other vets that need, you know, some time out, and you know, you get out here on your own. You know, you have time to think and time to goof off, and I think it's a very worthwhile project. Loved it.
Good enough. A mayfly on Scott's butt.